Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm gonna be teaching you how you can allow others to add yourself in Line Messenger. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open the Line Messenger app on your phone. The next thing you want to do is click on Home, which you see on the bottom left hand corner of your screen. Then click on Settings, which is the gear icon on the top right hand corner. Scroll a bit down and you can find this option of Friends. Go ahead and tap on Friends and you can see the Allow Others to Add Me option. What this will do is it will allow other users to search for and automatically friend you using your phone number. So you should go ahead and enable this, and what this does is it will ask you to register your phone number. Go ahead and tap on Register Number, which is over here. Write down your number, click Next, and if you are allowing to add the reason, you can add your reason, and then you can easily allow others to add you by your phone number. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.